Let's review the healing sounds Qigong. When you make the various organ sounds, find a comfortable pitch and volume. You do not have to match mine. Begin with harmonizing the breath 9 times. Next, we practice the lion's roar for the lungs. The sound is Xia, 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 Xia. Practice it 3 times. The next method is called the dragon coming out of the sea, or the dragon for short. The dragon heals the heart, and the sound is Huh. Again, Huh. Do 3 repetitions. After the dragon comes Qi to the spleen. The sound for the spleen is Hu. Hu. Although this exercise does not traditionally have a poetic name, I like to call it the owl. Practice it 1 time. After healing the spleen, we practice the monkey for the liver. The sound for the liver is shh, just like an SH. Shh. Again, there is only 1 repetition. Next, we do the bear for the kidneys. The sound is ch-u-e, done as 1 linked sound. Ch-u-e. Again, ch-u-e. It is practiced 3 times. The set is closed with 9 repetitions of an exercise to expel toxins from the entire body. The breath itself makes a sound by slightly blowing it out through your mouth. Finish with a minute or 2 of quiet, silent meditation. The style of healing sounds presented here is designed to prevent illness or to aid in recovery during the last stages of illness. Because this Qigong is often quite stimulating, you should not practice during the acute phase of an illness. It might stimulate the virus or bacteria. Also, do not practice during menstruation or after you know that you are pregnant. Other Qigong sets presented in this program do not have these specific precautions.